Alright guys, I am out here again with the WINGSLAND S6. Yes, I'm back out here with the 5-minute flyer. Anyway, it has a feature on here called 10-second aerial. And I have not been able to find out anything about it. So I'm gonna try it. I don't even know what it does. It just says 10-second aerial right here on the settings here. See, it has the follow me, the point of interest, which I did already right there. 10-second aerial. I don't know what that 10-second flight to China. I have no idea what the heck that thing's gonna do. Okay, none whatsoever. So let's take it off and hit it and see what happens. That's what I say. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I haven't been able to see one YouTube video on this, which is almost like a miracle. There it goes. It's doing something. I guess, I don't know. Well, it doesn't seem to do anything. I'm hitting it, but it's not doing anything. Maybe they haven't implemented it yet, I guess, because the other ones do work, like the follow me. You know, that's working. I'll bet you they haven't put this in the app yet. I'll bet you that's what it is. They just haven't updated the app enough to do anything with it. So. Yeah, the follow me works. You know, that works fine. You know. I'll exit that. Now I'm going to do the point of interest, because I did it yesterday, but it just goes around in a circle. Say, you just hit the point of interest, bring it back a little bit to wherever you want the circle to be. Kind of like the DJI ones, and it's doing it, you know. You can see it on the video, but that's all it does. It just goes around in a 360. So the battery's going to get ready to go in a second, so I'm going to have to get out of here because the video's been going for 3 minutes. So that means the battery's going to take a dump here any second. Okay, I exited the point of interest, and now we're just gonna come back and bring it down because, you know, adios amigo on the battery after 5 minutes. Because it's showing 40% and it starts to land at 30, and there goes the warning right there. I just got a warning on the phone, so And there it went. All right, so we know the 10-second mode doesn't work, so oh well. Oh well to that. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.